Hello and welcome to another update video about IOTA. It was requested by a few of you guys in the comments. So IOTA is doing something very interesting. Yesterday, my last update about IOTA, we were pretty much here just after that red candle. And I talked about the move to the upside that we were in, that this uptrend has really just begun, this momentum increase, from that sort of shorter term small downtrend. I mean, we were in an uptrend already in that wave movement here. We found a local bottom here on the 13th of September. Since then we've moved up, broken out of that descending wedge, which is a bullish pattern, and then traded up again yesterday in a very strong move to the upside. And after that breakdown or breakout above the 167 level, I made that video and I said we might, we need to get through that 176 level. And that is the level that where we already faced heavy resistance on the 10th of September. I did say yesterday after that red candle here that you can see that we probably will bounce off once more from that level. And we did, here it was pretty much middle of the night UK time that we bounced off once more. And I did say that because I thought, it looked really obvious that we were going through. So it's oftentimes when it's looking too obvious that FOMO kicks in, a lot of people go in, smart money then shakes them out again, which happened here. So we made another attempt. We broke nearly through, haven't made it, and now we're making another higher low. So it's all looking good. Yesterday I drew that trend line here when I didn't know how it's going to look like, but I said it could potentially be that we give it another go and then might trade in that ascending triangle to the upside. Now, of course, that was pure speculation, but it looks like it, but I have to obviously move that triangle shape. So it's looking more something like that we're moving in this ascending triangle shape to the upside, which is nice, which is bullish, which is really positive. We've also seen that we've tried to attempt to break out twice. We have a classical breakout build-up structure here where we've made a higher low, another higher low, now another higher low, and the buyers can't really push the price very much away from the horizontal resistance level anymore. That is the 176 level. And I think as soon as we break above that, we can start to get to the $2 level. So that is very nice. That's very interesting. We were there not so long ago. When was that? $2. That was here back in the beginning of September. So very nice. We also have something like a very weak, I would say, inverse head and shoulders. So we've got that shoulder here potentially, or here. Then we have the head here and another shoulder here. Now it's not very clear, but they rarely are very clear. But what we clearly see here is that this is the neckline, which is the 176 level. Try to break through now once, twice, and a third time. And we will give it another attempt, in my opinion, especially if Bitcoin is doing well. Now, while Bitcoin is going up, IOTA is going down a little bit, but we are trading in this ascending triangle. That's a bullish structure. Also this inverse head and shoulder, if it is one, it's a bit hard to see. That is bullish as well. And, we hit the local bottom here. We broke out of a descending wedge. So this is really nice, really bullish. And we already attempted to break through twice, failed twice, but we are making a higher low. So that is all looking good. And also when trying to break through that level here, the 176, we actually made a higher high as well. Yes, a weak one, but that is of course clear because we are moving towards a horizontal resistance line. So in my opinion, we will give it another go today, try to break through again, and it could actually happen after the next attempt or another one, in my opinion. Never guaranteed, of course. If you trade breakout, you will always wait until you break out, and we could then, if we break out, have a potentially another retest and then move up to $2. Or we will, go through straight away if we break through. There's always the option of, is there a retest or not? If you're more conservative, you always wait for a retest. Then you can obviously miss an opportunity because sometimes there is just no retest, but it's safer. Or you just go with the trend and try to trade the breakout without a retest. But then the risk is that if there is a retest then and it fails, that it goes down again. But generally, we are in an uptrend. I did talk about that yesterday. We had a golden cross of IOTA as well, so indicating a long-term uptrend. And we are now on the micro scale here, well, micro on the 1 hour scale. we are in an ascending triangle, broke through a descending wedge to the upside. So units all looking good, and we're just about to break out in the very short term, in my opinion, to the upside. There's pure speculation. If we break out, of course, you never know before it happens, but it's looking like that breakout build up. So definitely heads up that we need to be ready if we want to trade. Okay, hopefully you liked that video. If you did, please smash the like button. If you want to learn about technical analysis, then you can check out my second YouTube channel, and you can find a link in the description. There's a new lesson every day. It's entirely free and a lot of positive feedback so far. So that might help you make more sense of these videos here, or it might help you to, do your TA on your own. And yeah, if you liked it, also please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.